E. A. We're looking at the off-plan landscape. So what is the market positioning of Palm Jebel Ali within the off-plan landscape? And I'm talking about this as a real estate broker, right? I own nothing in Dubai Holding. I wish, but I do, but I don't. All right, so we're looking at the off-plan space. We're looking then at Jebel Ali as an area, and then we're looking at the master community, and then we're looking at the actual project. And then I'm gonna do past, present, and future. All right, so we are currently experiencing all-time high prices. Palm Jebel Ali, when you look at the off-plan projects, and I'm so practical about this, and I want anyone, please, to stand up and to tell me where I am going wrong here. Please, okay? If you look at the off-plan market and you compare it, so you have a community here, you have one project on the off-plan, next to it there's a ready project. In most cases, the off-plan project is selling more or less, if not even sometimes higher than the resale market, right? You get payment plans that you don't get on the resale market. You get a brand new property that you don't get on the resale market, right? Palm Jebel Ali is the only super prime project that is way below its nearest comparables in the market. And you're gonna see this in numbers. It's crazy. It's like the price per square foot on the land is 2,200 versus 10,000 in Palm Jumeirah. It's like 5 times. Let alone that it's a payment plan. So that's the off plan. Now we look at Jebel Ali as an area. It's like giving you the opportunity to invest in Dubai 30 years back, literally. The attention of the government. I always tell people at Farm Properties, right on the giant's shoulders. If you want to win big within any space, you have to look at the giant in that space and right on the giant's shoulders. Go with the flow, go with the same direction. Don't try to swim against the tide, right? The entire direction of our blessed government in Dubai today is actually focused on Jebel Ali area. It's the expo, it's the largest airport in the world, it's the largest trading hub in the world, it's you name it. It's, you're gonna, if we see today Dubai and we say the infrastructure is mind-blowing, it's actually 0.2 generation of infrastructure that is taking place today in Jebel Ali area. So as an area, the potential of that area to grow is for the coming 40 years. It's the new Dubai. See, master community. You have a ready community, you have an off-plan project that is coming up, and people think that, oh, the minute I buy in this off-plan project, just because I bought in this off-plan project, once it's ready, I'm gonna make money. But it's not always the case, we all know this, right? You make the lion's share of capital gain when the community is not ready. Because the community will bring so much more value than the project, which the project cannot bring. Right? You go in certain communities and you say, when this mall is gonna open, you're gonna make more money. When this bridge is gonna happen, when the metro station is coming, you're gonna make more money. You have all these boxes in Palm Jebel Ali. All these boxes. And you're not investing in a community where the land needs to be reclaimed. Probably the lands of the villas that have been sold is maybe 100% reclaimed. And maybe whatever is coming now in terms of release is almost completed as well. Now people say, but it's a very, very ambitious project. It's not an ambitious project. I don't know exactly how many villas, but this is nothing. But when we enter, we're gonna see construction in the waterfront. This is money. When you bring a mature investor and sees construction and sees more empty land, the smart investor understands that there's more money to happen there. You're investing, I think, in my humble opinion, I can't think of any other project where the government has more carried interest in the future than Jebel Ali and than Palm Jebel Ali. So you're not just in safe hands, you're in the safest hands that built this city for all of us. And the greatest potential is the capital gain because of the community, right? Now when you look at the villas, I told you the land is already reclaimed. When you go, the land is actually there. So what is it to build a villa? They're not building the tallest, the highest, the biggest, they're building a villa. and the land is there, right? So it's gonna happen. No matter what, it's gonna happen. I think last week or the week before, the contract with I saw an announcement, correct me if I'm wrong, that Dubai Holding already signed with the contractor for whatever villas that are already sold, right? So, 3 untold, mind-blowing. I said, past. Listen to this. Palm Jumeirah, this villa in front F, on front F. Are you ready? You ready? So, it sees the Atlantis, the new and the old, and it was sold 9 times. 2008 versus today. 4.6 million in 2008. 128 million in 2024. Right? That's 2,600% capital gain. That's 185% capital gain per year. Please educate me. Wake me up. Have you ever heard of this? Did it go through cycles? Yes. But it's the primest of the prime. If the market goes up, I'm not telling you the market will continue like this forever. No. But if you buy the right asset, when the market goes up, you make more money than anyone else. When the market goes down, you lose less money than anyone else. And that's the place to invest in. Present. I got you 4 examples for the 7 beds, right? Compare 7 beds in Palm Jebel Ali with 7 beds in Palm Jumeirah. Look at this. You get 63% bigger plot. You get 71%. This is real, yeah? So both these numbers are real. They're not made up. You can find these properties. 34% lower price, and you get a payment plan. Are you kidding? Lower price on the plot is 59%, and on the built-up is 61%. You're buying an off-plan property where you struggle to even find an off-plan property that's at the same price as the ready market. Here you're buying 60%, 30%, 40%, 50% less. Look at this. 49% bigger plot, 71% bigger built-up, 34% lower price on the plot 56%, and 61% lower price on the built-up per square foot. I'm gonna come to you guys. So I know that everyone's awake, right? Honestly, seeing these numbers, you better be awake. Like if these numbers don't wake you up, then I can't help you. That's the 3rd example. 97% bigger plot, 21% bigger built-up, 38% lower price. Lower price, guys! You're gonna make 2,000% capital gain on this, no matter what cycles we go through. The opportunity today, you bring your investor, they choose the best unit for themselves. Palm Jebel Ali again. Front edge Palm Jumeirah, 33% bigger, 50% bigger, 75% lower price. Like, you do your homework. You're gonna find that these numbers are rock solid. And that's the 3rd one. Can you see? I told you, it's like giving you the opportunity to invest in Dubai 30 years back. 30 years back, right? Look at this. Look what's gonna happen. This is the new Dubai. 2x foreign trades. This is the economic agenda of Dubai, as Dr. Mahmoud said repeatedly, and as if we've witnessed repeatedly. They talk the talk and walk the walk in Dubai. This is the economic agenda, and that's how you play to the strength of this city as real estate brokers. Top 5 global logistic hubs, top 4 financial hubs, and top 3 cities. I am sure it means number 1. We don't know anything. You know what? Whether I get to number 1 or not, it doesn't matter. But this city and His Highness Jahan bin Rashid is the biggest inspiration for me to always aim for number 1. It's an opportunity for everyone to aim for number 1. Just aim for number 1. Do your best. If you don't get there, it's fine. Right? I think Palm Jebel Ali is number 1. Do you agree? Can I